Okay, this video is for example 5, driving a multi-angle formula, which for most of the classes today I skipped. So let's work through this problem. So it says that I want to write sine of 3x in terms of only sine of x, which that means no multi-angles, no 2x's, no 3x's, and I should have no trig functions except for sine. So let's start. Okay, so let's rewrite sine of 3x. We can rewrite as sine of 2x plus x. Now I can apply a sum and difference formula from section 5.5, where this is a and this is b. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. So I get sine of 2x cosine of x plus cosine of 2x sine of x. And in that statement, this is not okay because I have a 2x, a double angle. This is not okay because it's a cosine. And this is not okay because it's a cosine and it's a 2x. So let's take care of each one of these. So I'm just going to move my equal sign back a little bit so I have more space. Sine of 2x only has one version. It has 2 sine x cosine x, which is a double angle. And then I'm going to leave the cosine x for a second because it's not a double angle. So I'm going to leave it and see if it doesn't take care of itself in a second, hoping it does. Plus cosine of 2x, I need to get rid of cosine. No multi-angles, so that's a double angle cosine formula. And I'm going to pick to use the one that says 1 minus 2 sine squared x, because I don't want to have cosines. So I'm going to pick the version of cosine double angle that only has sines in it. And then I have the sine x on the outside. What I'm now going to do is distribute or multiply together. So this cosine is multiplied by this whole thing. And a cosine times a cosine here is going to make a cosine squared. So this is equal to 2 sine x cosine squared x plus, I'm going to distribute the sine into the parentheses. I'm going to get sine x minus 2 sine cubed x, because a sine squared times another sine is a sine cubed. Almost everything's good now, except for this right here. It's a cosine, and the directions clearly say only sines. So let's see if we can't replace that. So 2 sine x, need to replace this thing, plus sine x minus 2 sine cubed x. And for this step, I want you to remember Pythagoras, cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. I can replace my cosine right here, my cosine squared, with a 1 minus sine squared. Okay, I am so close. I have gotten just the sines, and now I just need to do a little bit of algebra. Need to distribute the sine in. So when I do that, I get 2 sine x minus 2 sine cubed x plus the sine x minus 2 sine cubed x. This negative 2 sine cubed and this negative 2 sine cubed can combine. It makes negative 4 sine cubed x's. And then this 2 sine plus 1 more sine makes plus 3 sine x's. I have done what I was told to do. I've gotten rid of everything but sines, and I have no multi-angles. So there is the problem.